In this video, we will walk through how to review your mock AP exam results on the Magna Education platform. After logging in, you will land on your student dashboard. On the left side, you can see your progress across your courses. On the right, a heat map displays your strongest topics and the areas that need more practice. Below the heat map, you will find your recent quizzes, including your AP mock exam. In this example, we are looking at the AP Psychology exam. Click the View button to open your results. The first screen displays your projected AP score, which is calculated based on a combination of your multiple choice score and your free response score. Please keep in mind that this projected score is an estimate based on your performance on the practice assessment. It is not a guaranteed result. It reflects where your official AP score might fall if you took the exam on the day of the mock. Your actual score may differ due to factors such as different testing conditions, variations in exam questions, and the fact that you still have time remaining before the official exam. Use this score as a guide to focus your studying, not as a final verdict. To review your exam in detail, click Review Questions. This will display all of the questions along with their answers, allowing you to go through each one carefully. For any question where you did not earn full credit, you can use the Ask Magna feature. Ask Magna is context-aware, meaning it knows which question you are viewing. You can ask it questions such as, "Why didn't I receive a score on this question?" It will explain what went wrong and walk you through what a correct answer should have included. For example, identifying the key clues from the stimulus and what your response needed to reflect. You can repeat this process for all of your multiple choice questions. Next, you will reach the free response section. For each part of every free response question, you will find detailed feedback explaining why an answer received credit, what was missing from your response, and what is expected in order to earn full points. As you review this feedback, pay close attention to task verbs such as describe, explain, and compare, as AP readers evaluate your responses based on how well you address those specific directives. When you are finished reviewing, click the back button to return to your student dashboard. From there, you can continue practicing in the areas where you need the most improvement.